Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you delete your transaction history on Cashapp. So let's jump right into it. Just make sure you have the Cashapp app updated and then go ahead and open it. It should take a moment to load up. Once it loads up, you find yourself in this page. To find your transactions, you should tap here in the bottom right corner on this icon. As you can see guys, I have no transactions here because I don't really use the Cashapp application, but I'm gonna show you how can you delete them. You can tap here in the top right corner to go to your profile and then scroll down and tap on support right here. Now once you tap right there, you'll be taken to this page and you should tap on the search box right here and we're gonna search for close. You find one result that should say this: close your app or account. So you can tap right there, and that is right guys. The only way to delete the transaction history on Cashapp is to actually delete the account itself, because basically it is illegal for Cashapp to let you delete your transaction history. That is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.